Improving your Valorant graphic settings can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals and performance. Follow these steps to optimize your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Open Valorant and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 2. Adjust graphics quality. In the settings menu, select the video tab. Here, you can adjust the overall graphics quality. Choose a higher quality preset such as high or vivid to improve visuals. Step 3. Customize individual settings. Scroll down to find individual graphic settings like texture quality, material quality, and detail quality. Set these to higher values to enhance specific visual elements in the game. Step 4. Enable anti-aliasing. Look for the anti-aliasing option in the video settings. Enable it to smooth out jagged edges and improve the overall appearance of characters and environments. Step 5. Adjust resolution and refresh rate. Ensure your resolution is set to your monitor's native resolution for the best clarity. Additionally, set the refresh rate to the highest value supported by your monitor for smoother gameplay. By following these steps, you can significantly boost the graphics settings in Valorant, leading to a more immersive gaming experience. Enjoy your enhanced visuals.